How to add your own pictures to Google Maps. So hey guys, if you want to add your own pictures to Google Maps and contribute to the community, then this video is for you. So you might have come across buildings which have these images like this uploaded by people, so then you can get an idea of how this place looks like. So if you also want to contribute and want to upload your particular photograph, then you need to follow these easy steps. So the first thing you need to do is go towards the name of this particular building in this screen, and then you need to scroll from these tabs, and once you will do this you will come across this option of more. So simply click onto this more option, and then you will have this option of add photos. So simply click onto the add photos option, and from here you need to click onto this OK button, and then you have two options. Either you can choose any image from the camera, that means you can click any photograph right now, or then the another option is to choose any photograph and upload it. So I'm gonna choose the photos option, and once I will do this, it has opened up my mobile's gallery, and then I can choose any photograph that I best find suitable for this place. So if you want to go to albums, you can click onto this albums tab, and it will list out all of your photographs in your mobile device. So let me quickly choose a photograph and upload it. So for example, let's say this particular picture right here, and once you have selected a picture, or if you want you may also choose multiple images, but for now I am choosing only one image. And then once you have selected the images, click onto this done button right here, and here you can preview your image, and then to post this image you need to click onto this post button at the top right. So once you click onto the post button, you can see that it has been added, and I have also earned some extra points for helping others. So if you want to review this particular photograph, you can go back, and to view your photos that you have uploaded in the contributions, what you can do is simply close this. Then after the closing, you will see these three tabs at the bottom, and you need to click onto this contribute tab, and under the contribute tab you can see this option of view profile. So simply click onto the view profile, and from here under the photos you can click onto the see all photos option, and it will show all of the photos that you have uploaded in the Google Maps. So that's how easily you can also keep a track onto your uploaded photos. So that's it for this video. If this video was any help to you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.